So our app is Rude Ralph.
Okay.
The far left is actually the starting page.
Okay.
That's assuming you've already put in a address or something. It'll actually show you because it's a mix of a translator, GPS, and a twist of a rude, a rude little guy.
Okay.
He likes to give you directions while being
Instead of a regular voice telling you where to go, it's like he insults you
Okay.
as you're driving.
Okay. Okay. So it's driving directions. So I'm gonna start here.
Mm-hmm.
You want me to just go from here?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, just kind of give us an overview of whatever you think of each page. And it's all separate.
Landmarks, nearby settings. Okay, so I guess I'm assuming I can use it for driving or walking,
Right.
so I could do whatever, and then
It would work just like your typical GPS would.
Okay, cool. So then I would select landmarks, and it would go out, figure out where I am, and give me
Right.
specific landmarks.
Yeah, nearby would be gas stations, restrooms, stuff like that.
Okay, would I indicate that somehow? So I would say I want to find.
Well,
a
you can
nearby
either do
restaurant.
that as like a drop-down list,
Sure.
or it would just be a radius around you.
Okay.
So assume you're at the middle of that map right there. It would show you whatever's around in the giant square.
Okay. All right, that's cool. Settings, your typical, yeah.
GPS settings, and then you can make a Rude Ralph a little more vulgar.
Okay.
That's off by default.
Okay, that's.
So you can
sounds
change the
good.
volume just in case you don't want to be annoyed by him.
Sync with device.
The sync with, like if you have a normal GPS device, you can sync locations between the two.
Oh, okay.
Or if you have another
tablet.
phone with the same app, you can sync those two devices.
Okay. Yep, I got you. And then the translator. So is this? I'm putting in. Let me see.
It's voice recognition.
So I would just say translate blah blah blah
Yes.
into
Yeah, it
whatever
would,
language.
It would recognize whatever language you're speaking, and you could change right down there where the language is.
So
and
I would just
it
change
would output.
the output. I
Right,
got
yes.
you. Okay, that's way easier, I think, than most
Right.
translators actually.
Yeah, I imagine voice recognition is pretty challenging to actually do, though.
Sure.
Do it well.
Okay.
So, if you're in France or Germany and you're on vacation,
Yeah.
so you need a GPS to find out where you're going, and you need help translating stuff. So we just figured those two would go really well together.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
the Rude Ralph part is just kind of a addition. You
Just
don't necessarily
more
have to use
logo mascot than
that, and just to be something a little different.
yeah. It's
Because you kind of have that generic voice now that just tells you turn left
It's boring.
in 2 minutes. It's really boring and bland.
Boring and
it
annoying.
is, yes.
Make it a little fun to have someone insulting you on the way.
Okay. I like it. I think it's funny. Anything funny is always good. Everything looks cohesive. Like as far as from a design perspective, everything flows seemingly very well.
They would try to keep it consistent
Yeah,
and
and
easy to use, where you just click a thing and you're there.
all your navigation seems to be on the right side, so all your content is large and on the left, so that's cool. Even within the settings, you're still your navigation's still on the right. So
Is there anything you could think of that we could add or change? Anything that you think's hard to use, maybe?
directions, landmarks nearby.
What do you mean, what's next?
Well, landmarks and nearby to me are kind of the same.
Yeah, they're similar.
Maybe
That's
nearby, and then like you were saying in your drop-down menu, landmarks,
Okay.
restrooms.
So just have landmarks as part
Yeah,
of
maybe simplify. Maybe just 3 makes more
Okay.
sense. I don't know.
Okay.
No, but
Call 911 for me and not hit the button.
no, I like it.
What else would you think the app does?
Enable GPS satellites versus, I guess, using your wireless
Yeah, I just
towers.
took something from
No, I think
settings and another another
wireless
GPS.
network.
Save on data, maybe.
Say again? Yeah, right.
Save on data if
right.
you're using Wi-Fi or something.
No, I think it's good. Everything seems self-explanatory. The translator, I would just click on here and to get to the translator.
Yes.
Okay.
Never.
Yeah, because they're all separate pages.
They're already.
So the translator just has the one page, and that'll pop up, and then you just click back on GPS, and then GPS will come up, and then GPS is where it sections down into the other 4.
Because I have to let him go with that.
Yeah. No, I dig it. It looks good.
I need to hand him my parenting license.
Yeah, I like it.
All right, cool.
You did something
You know,
wrong.